Arithmetic sequence, a sequence of number whose the difference between consecutive terms are the same. Now, for this example, we're going to verify if the given sequence of number or series of number is considered to be an arithmetic sequence. Now, for example, number 1, we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. To verify this sequence, all you need to do is to find its common difference, and a common difference is basically the difference between the second term and the first term, and the third term to the second term, so on and so forth. Now, 4 minus 2 will give us 2. 6 minus 4 is also 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 8 minus 10 is, 10 minus 8 is 2. So you'll notice we have the same result for our difference. So that means we have a common difference of 2. In this case, this sequence of number or series of number is an arithmetic sequence. For example, number 2, we are going to do the same method. If we will find the common difference, if it exists in this particular example, 10, 7, 4, and 1. So 7 minus 10, so I write it like this as a mathematical expression. Arithmetic says that the rule in integers, to find the difference between two different numbers, get the difference of these two numbers, which is 3, and follow the sign of the highest number. So in this case, we have the highest number 10, and the sign of the highest number is negative, so we write the negative of the difference. So the answer is negative 3. So we have 7 minus 10 is 3. Same thing, 4 minus 17 is 3. And 1 minus 4 is 3. So you notice we have the same result for our difference. So that means we have a common difference of negative 3. So that means this is an arithmetic sequence.